Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. Indeed, Professor Soludo is starting as an elect, that's governor elect of Anambra State, is starting on high. In fact, hey, the man is playing basketballs everywhere. He's dropping things, man. And that's to tell you that the level of moral decadence we may be experiencing in the society in a country called Nigeria, it may not be far fetched as he's beginning to spill the beans about a lot of things that Nigerians have always just been having an idea of, but is giving full knowledge and whole full details over them right now. Well, before we go into the newspaper to find out what table that Professor Soludo is shaking, that's the Anambra State Governor-elect Charles Soludo is shaking, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You'll see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. While the Anambra State governor-elect, that's Charles Soludo, Professor Charles Soludo, has called for a new liberation movement in Africa and in Nigeria. According to him, this will promote selfless service among political leaders. Soludo, ex-governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, who won the November 6, 2021 Anambra governorship election on the platform of the All Progressive Grand Alliance, spoke on Saturday. He said politics has become a big business in Nigeria, adding that many drug barons and internet scammers have flocked into politics to avoid being arrested. He said, and I quote, "Indeed, Africa needs a new liberation movement. The first struggle was liberation from the colonial masters. The second will be liberation from rentier politics and politicians. For me, there's almost a sense of nostalgia, recalling the mission and accomplishment of our founding fathers, especially as we contemplate the world without oil in Nigeria. Much of the existing social order is founded on competition for and distribution of rents, oil, and the easy money that came with it destroyed the social fabric, and the elite created new institutions and political structures to maximize their gains. As the news tightened globally on other rentier, that's criminal enterprises such as drug trafficking or internet scamming, many of the barons flocked into politics as the next easy alternative. Politics has become big business. Appointment or election into public office is seen largely as an opportunity to eat rather than a call to selfless service. There is an army of rich, that's big men, who have never worked or done any productive work in their life and believe that it is their right to expect something for nothing. The tiny less than 1% elite have a stranglehold on the public purse, sprinkling occasional crumbs to the citizens as dividends of democracy. The citizens themselves, either out of helplessness or acquiescence, join the party, expecting the politicians to dole out pittance out of public treasury as charity. This is deep. Honestly, that's one of the beauty of having a professor in our midst. He nailed it. The truth of the matter is, never has it been this bad. Right now, I was privileged to listen to some young dudes. They were just having a chat in front of me while I was waiting for someone, and they got really super excited when one of them, announced that finally his uncle, has won that election. I wonder what election it was, but honestly, I don't know them. And they were like, finally, oh, bros, don't win. Man, making no slack, oh. Say now our turn be this, man, making begin the door. Boys go begin to come around, making, suppose by now, not supposed to complete that in a house for village. We're not supposed to buy more land, be more to make boys, make it begin the. I was like, I couldn't help it. I had to ask. Honestly, you that's that why you think your father went there or your uncle went there to loot? So what's the difference between you or what you're saying to those persons who get angry that they have looted Nigeria dry? It's a system error. Everyone is looking for an opportunity that when it gets there, the next thing will say it didn't start from me, it will not end when I've mounted my seat of enjoyment. Some of them look at it as okay, it's my opportunity, it's my turn to take the national moi. If we keep having that mentality, Nigeria will not only grow, Nigeria will not grow. Nigeria will go into crumbs, as in already we have borrowed to the point of you're wondering how how are we going to even pay back these loans? And these loans are collected legitimately, but they're being whisked away, as in they're being used. And unfortunately, some of these monies are properly retired in the sense that their documentations, receipts, and all that to show that those things were done and purchased. But in the true sense of the word, in reality, nothing is really on ground. The roads are bad, insecurity is biting deep, there's hunger in the land, there are no jobs. The basic amenities that we call basic is really not basic in Nigeria anymore. It's luxurious. It's for the big boys, quote and unquote. And if you continue like this, a time will come when the poor, quote and unquote as well, look around and have nothing to eat, they have nothing to rely on, they will not start going after the big boys. But if we make some of these things basic, good roads, pipe bomb water, affordable rents, affordable cars, where it's bad enough that there are no jobs, there are no food, there are no. But to worsen it is the fact that there is no security and there's nothing to eat. So what do you think will happen? Every vice that can bring food on the table, it takes those who have the fear of God to reject it. The rate at which our young people are being lured to social vices is alarming, simply because some of the things we call basic are no longer basic, they are luxury. And it's not supposed to be so. Like the issue of electricity supply, it's not luxury. A lot of things are just going wrong. And now Charles Soludo, Professor Charles Soludo have decided to nail it on the head the way it is. So look, the truth is, if the excuse me please, if the elites can find a way into politics, those who have something to offer, those who came to serve, not those who came to loot, just maybe Nigeria will be great again. Because the truth is, we need men, able men who wants to serve, not those who want to loot. Because if we get looters again in our midst, Nigeria may not survive it. But I pray that men who truly want to serve will come in and salvage Nigeria from where it is right now. First, we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our conversation, please. What's your take?